I try hard. Me I tell you anyway, I try hard. I try push pan up. Nobody now support me. I try. You see me?
No,
I try. Then I use your blood clot. I tell them say, yo, we there want little strength, give you little strength, and then I give look for way. Man, I look for way. I tell you the truth.
that you can just give me final saying tomorrow, Daniel. Honestly, I'm a birthday wish and
Me just I tell the people a while ago say, oh, one go call long time we not gonna away. Me that love for all you come look for me, you see me? That love that. Me just there, nobody now look for me, nobody now giving a strength around here, nobody. They look for me.
oh God. Alright, Daniel, never give up on nothing where you're done. Nothing try, nothing done. The day not done yet. Tomorrow is another day. Please just
Come on, that's why I come on and say me I go and push. Although I want people there, I'm still there, sit down and one or two people I give me to one that.
say you're gonna give me final tomorrow. Tomorrow I final, you give me final.
Stop try till we get through. Hopefully we get one roll out, no joke. I there yard we not that good for sugar. Birthday too.
Alright.
Me I try my best.
I have a car for you, car there, so don't worry about no car. Car I'll pick it up and carry it to me.
Car at least I just close more I get something nice chooks on me. As I say, I just that are the thing.
That's it. Them that simple some man fix up the ear and come man. Just come. Listen to me man. Come man, just come. More you say me a come.
We have to look good and we can't go out and look. If I say your birthday I will we have to live in a man. You get me? We have to look good. If we not look good it will feel away for come out and look good.
And play some match with me, come on.
Play so much and put. Since they up on the live and show them say you want go. You just want a little support, you know what I mean?
Just go and do another one. Just give me final answer tomorrow. But let's know now go come.
Don't say you know.
Yeah, me there next to D workplace.
Senti side there.
Me there Mandeville now. Yeah, Mandeville me there though. Yeah.
Senti man. Junction are just 30 minutes away from Mandeville.
Yeah, person I come pick you, but me just wait for link up with D.
Yeah man.
Alright. Go and play so much. And I follow up the boy. I say baby kiss my teeth and follow up. Hi bestie, what's up? Well, I don't know some of the comments, because some of the comments I don't even know if it make no sense. So I never watch the comment section. I just don't want to see my daughter upon the day and the baby. I did text you, sis. You text me? Alright, my baby. Remember, comment section, I go fast. Guys, thank you. Annie Boo, walk on my baby. Come go out the door, go check out the place. I just look for say yes, I'm going to come. You understand what I say? But when me hear from now, say they not, maybe they not going to come, it just bother me. Like, let me see, because I get a care for them and everything. I make sure say I do the necessary for all of them. But I do the necessary, so I just close them once. They just put out something nice and come, that's all. Remember, I know the hardest thing of the car, I make sure so them get the car. So them must can get something nice, one dress and one suit and something for the baby and come. I pray, them go come. I pray, I keep my finger crossed. Them go come, then can't disappoint me, Them can't disappoint me. That I tell you. See, me I behave nice from what day, them better no, them better to skip and track with me, That I tell you from what day me I behave. Tell you from what day me I behave. Tell you from what day me I behave. Tell you from what day me I behave.
If you tell him about the hospital, him how fast and gone up so.
Oh. That your sister talk like she not gonna get for come. Yeah. Go walk and wait for that walk with me there. No, but when you go so because we need no money, we broke him Nick just gone and give me $100. Guys, go walk.
Yeah.
Uno go. Come here.